Hey everyone, let me explain you this amazing new feature of sponsored display advertising. Okay, so first of all, let me explain you what is a sponsored display ads. Now, if you just go over here and check, let's say this is my product. You see over here, this is called a sponsored display ad. It's a very powerful advertisement because right now you can see if I'm a buyer, I'm about to buy this product and I'm just clicking on buy now. I see this advertising, and the chances are that somebody can actually go and click this ad, and they will be actually gone and sold to competitors. See, now this Samsung and MI is actually taking advantage of the same, and they can just click over here and they will be actually able to sell the item. And you can see how competitors can actually steal your sales with the sponsored display advertising. Now let's talk about how to create advertising with couple of things that you can leverage. So first of all, in order to have this kind of advertisement, you need to be a brand registered seller. That's number one. So you have to click on create a campaign. If you're a brand registered seller, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so once it gets loaded, what you can do is you can actually click over here. This is called a sponsored display advertising. Just click over here. Okay, now what is going to happen is I'm just going to click off. Here you can just start with the naming. Let me just choose any of the product that I want, for example, and then here is the option that you can choose. So in the previous video I spoke about product targeting advertising. Now what you can do is, instead of that, what you can do is you can leverage the power of audiences. Now if you have done Facebook ads before, this is exactly how it is. You click on audiences, and then again you'll get two options: optimize for page visits and optimize for conversions. Now I highly recommend, if you don't know this, you can actually check out the link in the above video. The link will take you to the first video of sponsored display, where I'm talking about sponsored product targeting and what exactly these two terms mean. So generally, in a nutshell, we generally always use optimize for conversions, because that is generally, Amazon will show your ads only to those buyers which they think are likely to click on your ad and also buy the product. So I'm just going to put 5 rupees as a default bid. Okay, now guys, this is so powerful. Okay, so if you go to the audiences, you have two options. One is called as similar to advertised product, and second is called advertised product. Now we have tested this rigorously, and what we have understood is not every advertising works amazing. So let's say just let me, okay, yeah, so what we do is, there are two types of advertising, which is advertised products and similar to advertised product. So it's called views remarketing, meaning let's say let me just explain you what, first of all, what Amazon says about this, which is they will automatically reach shoppers, those people like who are shopping on Amazon, who viewed your products and similar products. Meaning, let's say if I am a consumer, okay, let's say I'm a consumer, I come to your page, this is your product, I come to your page, I scroll it down, I check your product, but I don't buy. I did not buy your product. What am I going to do is, then I'm going to so this type of advertising allows me to again show my ad to those people who have come to my page. Now you have to understand, when they have come to my page, they've spent some time but they did not buy. Chances are that maybe they were interested, but maybe something was not that appealing. Okay, so what we can do is we can again show these buyers our ad who has come to us in the last 30 days, who have visited our product, and chances are that when they see our ad again 2 or 3 times, they will convert into a purchase. So you can just click on ad. Okay, now see, they will only advertise to all those people who have come and visited our page in the last 30 days. Now guys, remember, this is like a little bit expensive ad, because they are remarketing to those people who have not bought, but they convert very well. Chances of them converting is very high. So I would, instead of 5 rupees, I will actually go with 7 rupees, and then that's something that I'm going to do. That's number one. Same here, we get two options. Okay guys, So you can see the ads can appear here, ads can appear everywhere, right? Okay, something like this. It can even appear like this. Now what you can do is you can either do custom your creative, or you can go with add a custom image. I would generally go in this scenario, because a remarketing campaign, I will go with customize your creative, because here, let's say if you are giving a discount or something, you can put it over here as a headline, right? Put your logo and put it over here. Because let's say they did not buy because of the price, and you have reduced the price by certain amount, you can just write over here like that. Discount, not discount, like let's say um, chopping board, for example, chopping board. Don't write in the capital, just write in the small things. So chopping board with amazing knife. Just give them something, right? Knife, or you can just write like chopping board on sale. Any advantage that will help the customer to actually click and come back. On sale, see chopping board on sale, and just click on sale, launch. Once you do that, your sponsored display advertising is launched, guys, and that is going to really help you get a lot of sales. It is going to take some time, because remarketing campaigns do not get you results fast, but yes, definitely in a long term, like meaning like after 10, 12, 13 days, you'll get influx of sales, guys. Alright guys, I hope you have learned a lot about sponsored display, and if you want to keep learning this kind of strategies, I also do a small workshop. The link is below in the chat, and you can join the same. Thanks a lot guys, and I'll see you again in the next video.